Cebu City. She arrived in Hong Kong in the year 2003. She joined Christ Apostolic Life in the year 2007. She became coordinator in 2022. She was separated. Hindi ko sana all. Hindi talaga to sana all. She's helping her parents, providing their needs, and also her parents and siblings. Never stop extending hands. She continued helping her nephews, nieces through her financial needs, like schooling, but most of all, she is there for them through spiritual aspect. Watch out her motto, okay?